Where's the skizzers at?
Skitters.
Over here.
Got him.
Do you need the scissors back?
Yeah. Hi. Are we making a video about it?
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Drake Show. Yeah. Whoa! Dad, what was that?
Get it, Drake?
I can get it. I gotta get all the wrapping off. This is the blue Rigel egg, and there's all of these here. Look how many I got for Christmas. Look at all of them. A gold one, another gold one, a red one, and 2 yellow ones. I love this future ring. But you probably love me more. Trying to open it. Oh yeah, this is a lot. This is a lot. Okay, so flip it over like this. That is for last. This is awesome under here. It's a mystery vehicle under there, but we don't know which kind it is. Which one do you think I should open first, Mom?
I don't know. What do you got?
I'll open up this one, and I know what it is. It's a Red Titan mask.
Is it always Red Titan?
Yeah, it's always Red Titan. You could get his Mars enemy, Dark Titan, but those are really rare.
Mm-hmm. Hang on. I'm getting the scissors. Be careful. Don't cut the
I know
actual
how.
mask.
I won't. It's folded, so that's why.
With the strings. That's pretty good.
It didn't open at all. There we go. So let's open this. The Red Titan mask.
Well, you better put it on. There you go.
This is awesome. I'm leaving this on for the rest of the video. Putty. Pull this thing down. It's hitting my eyebrows. So there's gray grass, glow in the dark, and a purple one.
Which one's the most rare?
Which one's the most rare? The glow in the dark.
Mm-hmm.
They don't really say rare or not. Okay guys, so what I got was the purple putty, and this was one of the rarest. I think this was the last rarest, so that's why I got it, because you can get this one so easy. So that's why I think I got it. Okay, this will be my top, okay? Don't judge it, okay? What is this?
It is a skydiver rhyme.
Oh, it's a skydiver. It's where they fly out of the sky.
Oh, okay. Is there a tear strip?
Yep, there is. I see it.
Oh my goodness.
It floats. And who did I get? Look at my Ryan. I'm
Which
gonna
one is
drop
it?
him. Ah! Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna drop him from the top of the pouch.
Hey, Drake.
What? Sheesh! That was bubble wrap. See? It's like a parachute. It's a parachute guy. So where do I put this? I'll put it right here. Oh. Here's another one. No, this is a mystery figure. That's it. What figure do you think I got? I got Gus. I'll show you the figures on the next one. What I get. Here's Gus the Gummy Gator. And he's very cool. So I'll put him in there. And I'm going to open up my other one. This is the skydiver one, I think. Yeah. The rare one is the golden flyer. And which one?
Another skydiver though?
Yeah, it's
Let
another
me see.
skydiver. No, this was a big mystery figure. Oh, I got Gus, and then there's a bunch of pilots, and I got a red pilot. It's Orion. And I'm gonna open up this one. Can I open up every single one?
Of these eggs?
Yeah.
Not right now, buddy.
Not right now, but we can later today. Need some help? Careful.
Okay, guys, today I finally got it. Ah! And it was hard.
Can you just get it open?
I think I can. Yep, I got it. And I think I got... And I got Mo. I got Mo. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. That's what he says. Blah, 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 blah. So I already took it out. So it's over here hiding from me. Because when we shut off the camera, I got this red double bike. So what I'm going to do with it is I'm going to get my two figures and put them in. There's Gus.
Can you put it over on this side? There's more light.
Okay. And over here. So here, let's put Ryan right there. And then let's put Gus right there. Oh, that hurt.
Okay.
This is number 18, by the way. Okay, guys, bye. I love these things so much. Bye, guys. See you guys next time. Bye.